Hi, I'm Jim Kelly. Thanks for joining me. I'm here with some thoughts concerning node rage. You know that tremendous frustration you feel when your data warehouse just can't deliver the performance that you need? That desire to throw something across the room when the only solution that you get from IT or the vendor is buy more nodes. That state of helpless fury. It has a name, node rage. Does this sound familiar? A data warehouse vendor that I know well spends weeks constructing data schemes and tuning the system before the users can even start to access it. One of their reference customers reported that it took 180 days to implement a new database. And later on, when the reporting performance doesn't meet the promises, the customer is told the solution is to, repeat after me, buy more nodes. That's wasted time, wasted investment, and most importantly, wasted business opportunities. You can get relief from node rage when you get fast answers to your changing requests for new information. And that's what you get from IBM Netezza. Now let me tell you about time to value. Netezza's initial setup with one of our many delighted reference customers, Con-way Freight, took less than 48 hours. Within the next 48 hours, the data was loaded and Con-way had access to the system. In just 21 days from installation, not 180 days, their system was up and running and providing value to the business. IBM Netezza can let you leverage what you already have in place. You can easily use Netezza to improve and expand an existing data warehouse environment. Customers who may have started with other data warehouse technologies are now deploying Netezza as either a spoke for their new and important data and applications, or as a completely independent enterprise data platform. With Netezza's simple and flexible deployments, our customers add new data and applications within days, not months, keeping up with the changing business demands and gaining competitive advantage through new business insights. Node rage is frustrating and expensive, but the good news is it's curable. For more details, download our white paper from this page, or better yet, call me directly, and I look forward to speaking with you.